Hi friends, welcome back to Pajala Tech. Pune city is going to a lockdown again from July 14th to July 23rd, almost 10 days, 9 days. So I'll just take you through the main things where how to travel during this lockdown, how to raise a police pass, and under what category, what are the categories we can raise police pass for traveling during this lockdown. So if you take a news snippet from the Pune Mirror, you can see here clearly it has told in view of July 14th to July 23rd lockdown in Pune city, police will give digital passes through its web portal. Okay, but note down, employees of IT companies and industrial units, they can get an HR head can issue vehicle pass for them, and they will not require separate pass from police. Okay, so for the other people, how a common man get a pass is go to a Google search page and give Pune police and open the first link punepolice.in. So if you are a company person, you can get a letter from HR head itself. Otherwise, this is the method. So when you open, you can see here Pune police website, and this is the place where you can use digital pass. And what are the categories? What you have to do, three kinds of passes are there. One is within Pune, inter district, and interstate. As you know, within Pune, if you select within Pune, what are the things you have to select? First is the reason. These are the reasons: going to hospital, emergency, bank, hospital or clinic, LPG related, ration, a lot of security services. Any of this reason you can select if it is within Pune. And below you can fill in all your details, and from date to date, and what is the nearest police station from to all these things you have to enter manually. And suppose if you are going for inter-district travel, that is you have to travel between districts in Maharashtra, then this is the option through Pune police. You should fall any of these categories. It should be a standard person, standard student, any of this. And after that you are again supposed to fill all these details, and main thing is your vehicle type, because you are traveling between district, bus or train, or all these options are available, two wheeler. So now after that, again almost other things are similar, as you can see in the within Pune travel, but there is one more difference. If it is within district, you have to upload permission received from the receiving district. That means you should have some permission from the district where you are going, okay, your destination, and choose file and attach. Also, in case of medical emergency, please upload medical certificate here. Okay, that is also on these two are optional, but this is mandatory. You have to upload a self declaration saying that you are not living in containment area, and that is mandatory. The other two are not mandatory. It's an extra added benefit. Now if you scroll up again, and third option, it is interstate. That means you are traveling from Pune, Maharashtra state to another state. Standard group or standard individual or student, or in case of death or medical emergency or others. And this is same as within district travel. These options are same. And vehicle type also, train is there, flight is there, bus is there, private bus, four wheeler, so many options are there, same as inter district travel, but this is interstate travel. So again, from location nearest police station you have to select, and from which district to location you have to select that state where you are going to go, and to the house, the destination address you have to give. And after that, as you can see here, upload permission received from the receiving district also there, and we will not be able to entertain you if you are not providing a reason. Okay, you have to state your problem why you are traveling. Just write down something there. And also upload permission letter received from, so if it is another state, you can upload the destination state's pass here in the first choose file option. And medical emergency, attach your medical certificate here, and other things, declaration is a must saying that you are not coming from any containment zone. So let us quickly see any one of the example. For example, I will take an option of within Pune. When I wanted to travel within Pune, make sure in during this locking period you cannot travel just like that. There should be a valid prominent reason for travel. Okay, for example, I select an option here saying that transport of essential commodities. I am transporting essential service doing. So enter your name and other things. You can choose the file here. Choose your photo here. Your photo should be there. Photo can be directly through camera or documents, but make sure the size is not a problem. Okay, and after that enter your Aadhaar card number, mobile number, and date from and to, from when to when you require the pass to travel within. You can raise even for 1 week if it is a commodity essential service. And nearest police chowk you have to select. From location to location you have to select properly. Okay, and this is like you request may get rejected if specific area is not mentioned. So I am selecting one by one. I select my nearest police chowki, and from location under the chowki itself you have a lot of locations available. Select accordingly to as per your area, and this is like destination where you are going inside Pune, and also select the chowki as well as the clear destination location. And after that you have a remark option. We will not be able to entertain your request if this is necessarily not provided. So mention your remark properly. You can mention your remark in detail so that they will approve your request, and it should be a valid. You cannot just give any lame reason here. And after that you declare it saying that I am not suffering anything COVID related, and this should be properly declared. And after that press on I am not a robot and click on the submit button. So I just after filling everything I just tick the declare button, and I come down, I tick the I am not a robot button, and I click on the submit button here. So as you can see, once that is submitted you get an acknowledgement number. How to again you go back to punepolice.in website. You can track your request here. If you click on track request, you can enter your mobile number and the token number you would have received once you raise the pass. You can give it here and click on tick the I am not a robot button and click on search. So enter your token number here which you have received in your mobile. Enter the same mobile number you registered and click on I am not a robot and click on search. So this is the your pass looks like. It will be like this. So once you got the pass, and you can read the information. This will be your personal information, this will be your travel date, and this will be mentioning your reason for travel, like how urgent you are traveling. So make sure you provide all the details properly, so that otherwise it might attract penalty as well as some other actions from the police side. So make sure your travel has a valid reason. Also while traveling, please make sure you have carried face mask as well as hand related protective things like whatever available, and sanitizer and stuff. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. Also if you like this video, please give us a like.